Hey YouTube, so today we're going to have a look at the Nike Air Force Woven Black. Now this is a men's only pair and I really don't know why. They did do a peach colourway of this that was obviously women's only. I'd say these are a pretty unisex looking trainer. There's nothing on them that makes them particularly masculine, but if you look on the sizing, it's a men's only sizing. So the code if you're looking to buy them is AQ8624-001. I've found them on a couple of listings on eBay. Most places are sold out of them. They don't have them on Amazon. I'll have a double check, but I couldn't find them when I looked earlier. I have got these for sale on my Depop page, but they're quite a small size. They're a men's 6, which is a women's 5.5 equivalent. So let's have a quick look at them. So nothing too fancy on here. This isn't leather. This is a sort of synthetic fibre. But the main drawing point on these is this woven texture. So it appears on the toe area here. I don't believe it doesn't appear on the tongue, so it's a synthetic fibre there as well. Laces, nothing particularly special on the laces, just your normal standard laces. So you've got this black line around here. I think it would look a bit cleaner if it didn't have the black line on it, if it's just white. So inside, it's just your standard Nike Air. Underneath, it's just a standard sort of white sole. That's just sort of marked from the box that you always get. Around the back, got Nike Air on there. So nothing overly different on these. Just a sort of a clean looking pair of trainers.